Dear students, in the previous episode, we have discussed on the horizontal and vertical distribution of temperature. This episode focuses on the vertical and horizontal distribution of pressure and wind systems. The present episode is consisting of the following modules: air pressure, pressure gradient, vertical structure of cyclones and anticyclones, distribution of pressure pattern, the planetary, periodic and local winds. The pressure and winds are invisible elements which influences other weather elements in a significant way. Variation in pressure from place to place are responsible for the movement of winds, which serves as a means of transporting heat and moisture from one region to another. They also bring about changes in day-to-day weather conditions. Besides, air pressure is all the more important in weather forecasting. Regional variation in pressure is produced by temperature. According to Trivarta, they are crucial to all life form as it controls temperature and precipitation. Like any other material object, air has weight. The mass of column of air above a given point determines the atmospheric pressure at that point. Air has a mixture of several gases. The behavior of air pressure is depending on the behavior of gases. The gas is kept in a closed container, the motion is restricted. The gas molecules always tend to hit the wall. Similarly, land sea surface below and above by the force of gravity does not allow to escape. The amount of pressure exerted by air at a particular point is determined by two factors: temperature and density. If there is a change in temperature, there will be a corresponding change in the pressure also. The following equation, called the gas law, describes the relationship between pressure, temperature and density. Pressure is equal to density into temperature into constant. So, according to the gas law, an increase in either in density or temperature will cause an increase in pressure, provided the other variables like temperature and density remains constant. The atmospheric pressure at sea level will be 1034 grams per square centimeters. This amount of pressure is exerted by the atmosphere at sea level on all animals and objects. Man does not feel the weight of the atmosphere because the air inside him exerts an equal amount of outward pressure, balancing the inward pressure of atmosphere. But sometimes there will be a physiological disturbances when one goes to the higher altitude. Measurement of air pressure. The atmospheric pressure is measured most accurately with the help of mercurial barometer. Evangelia Torricelli, a student of Galileo, developed the barometer. The standard sea level pressure is given as 1013 millibar at a temperature of 15 degrees Celsius and at a latitude of 45 degrees. This pressure is equivalent to 29.92 inches or 760 millimeters. The milligram is a force equal to 1000 dynes per square centimeter, and a dyne is a unit of force approximate weight of a milligram. Pressure recording instruments. Besides mercurial barometer, there are other types of pressure recording instruments such as aneroid barometer, altimeter, microbarometer, which is very sensitive. Standard pressure at sea level is about 1013.25 millibars. Pressure changes from day to day and time to time. In 1893, July 14th, Siberia was recorded the highest pressure, which was about 1075.2 millibars. The lowest of 877 millibar was recorded at Marina Islands.